Laughter yoga is a set of exercises that is designed and geared for laughing for no reason. You don't need jokes or funny stories or comedy. It's for everybody and anybody can do it. It's based on clapping and then pranayamic yoga breathing and then laughing. It's based on the idea and the theory that if you laugh, the physics of laughing, your body will not understand whether it's genuine or fake laugh and will still benefit from it. It started in 1995 by a medical doctor called Dr. Madan Kataria from India. He developed these exercises and now it's spread around more than 60 countries, about 6,000 laughter clubs around the world. Now they've started using it at corporate, at prisons, for children, for people with special needs, for elderly people, because there are some exercises we do that will help the coordination of the eye and the movement of the hands and revive the memory, because laughter yoga helps in the flow of oxygen into the blood and the main organs of the body. I still feel people cannot get out of their comfort zone and they cannot get rid of their negative beliefs, and I thought laughter yoga will help them to feel free, to boost their self-esteem. So I combine the coaching with the laughter yoga to help people feel at ease and be happy and fulfill their aims and achieve their goals. I found that life is very stressful, especially with all what's happening around us. So people need some kind of exercise to laugh for no reason, to be more healthy, to have more energy in them. It's for any age, for anybody. Just bring your laugh and come along.
I've never done it before and I didn't really know what to expect. I'd heard a little bit about it before, but I wasn't sure. I'd never seen the session in action and it was brilliant. I really loved it and I laughed a lot more than I thought I would, and I didn't feel self-conscious, and I actually just felt a really strong bond with the people around me, even though I'd never met them before. And yeah, it was very relaxing and it's really invigorating. And definitely something I'd like to do again.
Much funnier than I expected it to be. I laughed a lot. Initially I felt a bit subconscious, but then I just couldn't stop laughing. Then I heard myself laughing, then I heard other people laughing, and then I nearly had a heart attack. And then, actually I haven't laughed like that in a very long time. I feel really chilled actually. I had a really stressful day and now I feel very relaxed.
It's the first time here. Before I had done in India, in Mumbai.
This would be my first time. I've done yoga before and we had a small 10-minute session on laughter yoga, but I've never had a 45-minute full-on session just laughing my head off. I definitely go back any day, especially with my mom, because one, I've never heard my mom laugh so much. So it was quite a good experience and it's something that we both can do.
Gens de nature timide, laissez votre gêne à la maison. Le Club de rire de Sherbrooke est ouvert à tous, à condition de ne pas se prendre trop au sérieux. Chaque samedi matin depuis 3 ans, un groupe d'individus se rassemble au centre Jean Besseret pour pratiquer le yoga du rire. Une activité autant sonore que physique.
Je les joue un peu endoloris, puis j'ai vraiment chaud. Je fais juste rire, j'ai vraiment chaud.
On sort de là, au début, les premières fois, on est épuisé. On a besoin de se reposer. Mais au bout, quand ça fait 2 ans, là, c'est comme si je viens pas, je me sens plus fatiguée, j'ai moins d'énergie. Ça donne de l'énergie.
Ces athlètes du diaphragme sont dirigés par un chef d'orchestre, formé dans l'usage de la méthode du médecin indien Madan Kataria.
Quand tu ris, tu génères beaucoup d'endorphines. 1 minute de rire, tu vas générer autant d'endorphines que 10 minutes d'exercice physique. Fait que tu vas te sentir heureux. Les hormones du bonheur, les endorphines. Fait que c'est bon pour le moral. Les personnes, c'est plus difficile moralement. Ben, ça les aide à rire. Si en riant en groupe, c'est encore plus fort. Les personnes qui traversent des problèmes de santé comme le cancer, des problèmes respiratoires, etc., ça leur fait du bien de rire.
Pour se faire rire, les participants ont plusieurs trucs, mais ils ne se comptent pas des blagues, ils font des jeux et ils font les fous.
On fait plein de choses, on devient enfant. On fait des jeux, on fait des danses, on fait des exercices. On rit sans raison.
C'est ma première fois aujourd'hui. C'était à l'occasion de ma fête, étonnamment. C'est comme mon cadeau de fête d'une de mes amies qui m'a amené rire. C'est un très beau cadeau. Ça fait du bien. Un peu gênant par moment, par contre, mais je trouve ça très drôle. Oui, ça fait du bien. Ça libère des mauvaises énergies ou du stress. Yeah!